Hey guys, this is Alex Smith with Sylvan Arms. Today we're going to be demonstrating our Glock conversion adapter. Our Glock Conversion Block allows you to use any standard mil-spec AR-15 lower or any non-mil-spec lower, along with any AR-9 upper and bolt carrier group. Your first step is to take your two takedown pins out, which will remove your AR-15 upper. Next, you will insert your Sylvan Arms Glock Conversion Block. At that point, you will take this set screw. You will insert the set screw into the top of the conversion block. Put on your AR-9 upper. As you can see, our Glock conversion block allows you to insert a non-modified Glock magazine with ease. Hey, by the way, our Glock conversion block uses Glock 17 and 19 magazines.